Hello, my name is John from Cuckson. Today I'm talking to you about the website I created for my COM 531 assignment 3. The name and domain of the website I have chosen to create will go by the name SanityCentre. There were a great many troubles and handlings of this website, but today I will show you the website in question that I created for this project. In the design phase, the original intent of this website was to create a website for a company known as SanityCentre, a video game and animation development company currently new in the business and wanting to make a name for themselves. The website's intent has turned more towards a portfolio piece, being able to show some of the works that I, as a designer, have been able to make. The term SanityCentre to me incorporates a variation of madness and imagination, what we all see in our greater mind at the very center. The hyperlinks work as any site would, and as you can see, the ways people are able to tell that they have moved the site is the hyperlinks have grown bigger to show which page that the user is on. The project examples here show an academic final year project I currently am working on, and a personal project based on a character design I once worked on. Hopefully, once any of these projects are done, the site will be updated and will be shown. The website development section project here shows an unfitting YouTube video, but the YouTube video will be replaced by this current one you're watching in the final website. I look forward to the possibilities of this project page forming and changing as my developments go forward. The new site's original intent in the WordPress document was to be a post page, one that should show and link to the various posts that I would update regularly. But for a simple text example, we have the date the site was considered finished in its current walkthrough form, of course. My hope for this page was to show an example of an event calendar where users could see what was going on and what events were to come. Now for the more enthusiastic part of this website walkthrough, my game demo. Charcoal is a reskinned version of a very simple canvas game where a knight goes around catching goblins. The forest has been replaced by a war area, the hero has been replaced by a shark, and the goblins are replaced by fish. The goal of the game is to see how many fish can be eaten. The code of this game demonstrates that once a player, the shark, has caught a fish, it will respawn at the center, and a fish will respawn at a geodesic area outside of the shark's grasp. Now, I still have very many issues with this game, such as the arrow keys pushing the page up and down, and the shark being go off screen, but this is the game demo. Last but not least is the contact page. Below, you can see a Google embedded map. The original intention was to be able to show off where the SanityCentre game office would be. But since the company and design was created by me, and the closest thing I have to an office is my home, I'm not likely to show where exactly my house is to strangers. Now, this is probably the most important part of the website, the Contact Us form. Using this form, a visitor to the website may be able to leave a comment, provided their name, telephone number, and email address. Now, of course, this is just an example to see how the forms will be working. I don't expect someone to really be leaving their actual email address anytime soon. But for me, let's use my actual details. Anyone feels interested about working with me, you can call me there or email me there. That'd be very, very useful. But not talking about me, let's get this contact form done. Greetings. Now, unintended as it might be, pressing enter brings us to a record page where we have to enter the details in again. This demo, so we shall enter in this, and as you can see, all my details are there. My name, my email, my phone number, and greetings, my comment. Now let's test whether or not we can actually put in other details. Let's say don't want to be Jonathan, let's make you Nathan, Cuckson, and not let's change the email to fake star. How about that? I've changed my number, so it's 111111110. Sounds promising. And this submit, and now we have 2 records. See, yeah, we have fake star. No, fake star. That is not a good thing. Let's just go ahead and delete that, won't we? But now I also feel my details might be wrong, so let's change some of them. See, I changed my message from greetings to don't delete this. After all, we don't want to delete this. And there we go. But changing a comment, that's simple. Let's try changing the other details. Let's say I feel I might have my email wrong, or I feel that G is no longer a name I want to have, or I accidentally put my number in wrong. It's 74 at the end. See, we did actually change those details, so that's proof the database is working. See, this is the end of my website walkthrough. I'm so glad to have walked you through this.